Hello guys, and thanks for around so I can using over I think the tank so the tank so great the things great so I think the tanks for let's see, this is the track the next and the face. But I think that's it. The red shape. I think that's right. I think it's anything. So, that's right. Okay. Boom. There's a sound guys. Hope we get that right. Okay. Okay, so the rates. So that takes rank shape was fine. Next. Okay. There we go. Simple. It's like extra like it's a kind of quick train. Doesn't have something. Why not something? I don't know yet. Okay, I think that right and let's see if I can get that. Pick the cap. Okay, so it does rank. Alright, hacking for that. Yeah. Okay. Hey guys. Okay, so thanks. Things like that clean. Okay, thanks to the fucking that clean. Thanks, fine, drink. So do get that things I think it's still fine. And in France and so doing like so I can add like France and then extra like things and it cleans like they trained to that things and that's what I done. It goes like that excite like that clean. Another thing I do next tank. Bigger. But I don't think that's going on Plugging, I think certain things like I drink straight that certain things like straight and plugging like frames like anything so it's easier to explain and thinking like I don't certain explain stinks doing like the thanks it's like hey like okay that tank. Well guys, I think I like that tank. It's like that crank at that tank. Tank because I think I thanks to that crank it takes a tape the tank the tank